Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Outlook email view. So as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes as a part of Office 365. And to change the view, you wanna go to this mail section right here. Maybe you have this bar on the bottom. It doesn't matter, just go to the mail section. And then you wanna click on the view, which is right here. And then change view. So right now I do have the compact view, so after I click on a file, I'm going to have the folders here. Now the emails that are in a specific folder, for example in draft there's only one, in new folder there are 4 emails in my folders, and this is the whole inbox. So once I click, I do have the view of the email right here, but maybe I want to have the single view, which looks like this one. You have more emails right here, you can see, and even I can see the preview. Select the preview, so this one just looks the emails, and if I just open, this will bring me to the new window. Also, you can manage the views. As you can see right here, you can create the new ones, you can copy, you can modify them. Let me just go back to the compact. And also you can select the view settings. So you can, columns, the importance reminder icon, group by, sort, filter, other settings. You can even add conditional formatting and format columns. So everything you can do is in the view section right here. And after that, you can just create, for example, reset view. So this will bring you to the factory reset. So let me just click on this one and click yes. So what I have done right now, so I have resetted all the formatting that I've got in the I have done by conditional formatting, and also every settings of the view you can find in the view section, which is right here. So for example, you can use tighter spacing. As you can see, you can hide folder pane or make it minimized. You can reading page move to the bottom, like this one, for example. On the right, you can even turn it off. To do bar, you can, for example, also turn it off, or just leave the calendar or people, or maybe tasks. You can select everything you can. So this is it. This is how you can change the view in Outlook in the view settings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!